Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will start our new subject which is general knowledge of class 4th. So let's start our chapter which is unit number 1, nature and life, and the chapter name is animals partner. So basically in this chapter we will read relationship between animals. Animals have relationship with each other. This relationship can be for many purposes like for food or for protection, etc. Some of them help each other on a feast. So animals share different kind of relationship between them. The relationship between two different kinds of animals where they both benefits each other in a certain way is known as mutual relationship. So this kind of mutual relationship can be found in nature. So to understand it well, we will read some examples of it which is given in your book. So, examples of animal partners or mutual relationship. First example is crocodile and birds. Here, basically, two birds are mentioned in your books. First one is plover and second one is water hiccups. Crocodiles share a mutual relationship with birds like plovers and water teacups that do not fear coming close to them. As you know that crocodiles are the carnivorous animals, and if it wants it can easily hunt it the bird and they can eat it. But here, because they both share a mutual relationship between each other, so the plovers and the water teacups do not fear to coming close to them. Plover picks off the blood-suckling leeches from their gums, while the water teacups eat the insect that bother the large reptiles. Here you can understand that both the animals are benefiting each other. So let's see what is our next example. Next example is rhinoceroses and pecker birds. Here, like crocodile and plovers, rhinoceroses let the oxpecker ride on their backs as these birds eat the insect that bites them. Here also, they are favoring each other. Rhinoceroses let that oxpecker bird on ride on their backs, and in return the birds eat all the insect which bothering the large animal which is here rhinoceros. So let's read our next example. Here our next example is honey badger and honey guide bird. A honey badger and the bird honey guide enjoy the honey feast with the help of each other. Here, the honey guide bird is also known as indicator bird. It indicates the honey badger that where the beehive is, and then the honey badger follow it, the guide bird, and in the wild bee's nest and tear it open with its powerful jaws. Both of them then together eat the honey. Here also, both the honey badger and the honey guide bird are benefited. They are favoring each other. So, next example is RAS and Marine Animals. RAS is a small fish that often goes into the mouth of large marine animals to feed on dead matter inside and in turn clean them up. So these small fishes goes inside the large marine animal's mouth and cleaned them. And in return, these large marine animals didn't kill them. So here also both are benefited. Here marine animal get their cleanliness and they get rid of insects and dead skin, while the fish is getting the feast. Next is clownfish and sea anemones. A clownfish wanders on the sea anemone, cleaning up the parasites on its tentacle by feeding on them. So basically, the clownfish cleans the sea anemones by feeding all the parasites which is present in the sea anemone, and it has a special mucus layer on its skin that save it from the poisonous tentacle of the sea anemone. So in this way the clownfish gets the protection from sea anemones and the other predators, because sea anemones tentacles are poisonous, so other predators animal didn't come closer to the sea anemone, and the clownfish find their protection in sea anemones. So in this way both the animals, sea anemone and clownfish, benefits each other and share a mutual relationship. So I think you all understand the basic relationship between the and animals and their partners. They also known as their animals and their partners. So that's all for now. We will do next time question answer. Read this properly and learn all the examples properly. Thank you.